ready and sincere friendliness is the one thing we can show to every human being, whether we know him or not. The world is full of perplexed and lonely people whom even a smile or a kind look will help. Yet that which is so easy to give we too often reserve for a few, and those perhaps the least appreciative. I knew a girl who had a beau, and his name wasn't Adams. No child of hers would ever call the present writer Daddams. I didn't love the girl, but still I found her most beguiling. And so did all the other chaps. She did it with her smiling. I'm not a one-man girl, she said. Of smiles my beau first took his, but some are left I'll syndicate and pass them around like cookies. That syndicated smile, when trouble seemed the most in style, it heartened us, that indicated, syndicated smile. It's not enough to please your boss, or fawn round folks with bankrolls. Just be as friendly to the guys whose home spun round their shank rolls. The best investment in the world is goodwill, 20 carat. It costs you nothing, brings returns, so get yours out and air it. A niggard of good nature cheats himself and wrongs his fellows. You'd serve mankind? Then be less close with friendly nods and hellos. The syndicated smile, if you have kept it all the while, you've vindicated the indicated syndicated smile.